A very good evening. It is episode 11, Timely Escape. We'll be covering AAX, Widad, the Construction Index, Ethereum, and also American Airlines. If you're new to my channel, well, I am what they call an anchovy or ikan bilis in the stock market, swimming along the sharks and the whales. So being an ikan bilis, I'm equipping myself with the art of technical analysis to help me maneuver the ups and downs of the market. The video content is intended for learning and sharing purposes, so make sure you do your own research before making any buy or sells. So let's get on with it. We are going to start off with the construction index on the Bursa Stock Exchange. We're looking at the daily chart. And really the construction index has basically gone on the downtrend after the budget announcement, and budget was on the Friday the 13th. So maybe this will be a cue for the next budget not to select the Friday 13th. And as you can see, just like clockwork, it is after the announcement of news or event, the selling off on construction persisted, and it's broken down. The 20-day moving average has now found support at the 50-day moving average, and as of today there's a little bounce, but it's yet to see whether the construction sector will continue on a rebound. And now it's at the critical resistance level, and if that breaks, then we will see a continuation hopefully. And there you have it. The next chart we have is Widad, and again we're looking at the daily chart of Widad, and I just sold the stock yesterday, and this is something very unusual. You look at the the way the stock has been going up. It's like a walk up a staircase, step by step, slowly moving it up until a certain point where the candle seems indifferent, and I decided to take profit there. And today a very deep dive down for the stock. It broke the 20-day, 50-day and 200-day all at the same day. In fact, it went to as low as 39 cents and under heavy selling as well. And this goes to show how important it is to set your stop loss, and in this case, since the stock is going up, is to set the trailing stop loss to protect your profits. And we continue on with AAX. In my last video I talked about my stop loss and whether it was a right or wrong decision. Well, just the day after I sold the stock, hitting my stop loss, the announcement of the rejection of AAX application to get out of PN17 came out, and since then the stock have basically free, I wouldn't say free fall, but it's on a downward trend now, hitting a critical support level at 1 ringgit 80 cents. The next level is at 160. These are the obvious support level. So I'm thankful for my stop loss, and that's it for AAX. And just to give an indication of a comparison of another airline stock, this is American Airlines in the United States, how volatile airline stocks can be. You can see it has moved from $8 to 22 and back to 11 and then up to 25, and this is in the span of a couple of years, 2-3 years, and it's back to 12, up to 17, 12 again, up to 18, and now it's currently at about $11. And if you were looking for a stock to buy in the US Stock Exchange, well, you should look out for American Airlines. It has a history of, after a long bear downtrend, if it breaks $12, well, you should start looking and doing your homework and see whether the trend will continue, and if it does, then you will be rewarded handsomely on this. As of now, since the price action is still below the 200-day moving average, it's best just to monitor and keep this on your watch list. And if it does break, as I mentioned, it will be time to pull the trigger and go all in on American Airlines. And the final chart I'll be looking at is Ethereum. I've got a very small position on Ethereum, which I just took profit as I was doing this video. It seems to be at the overbought level with a bearish candlestick, and I just took profit just 1 hour before doing this video. And yeah, for Ethereum, a 10% gain is not a lot, but for me, I'm just learning the ropes. I'm happy just taking profit at this stage. That's all. Thanks for watching. I aim to do at least one video a week. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. Thank you.